today I'm gonna go out in the forest and overnight. It's actually the first forest I went in when I was overnighting the first time. I will try do some fishing. I don't think I'm gonna catch anything again because I think it's really hard to catch anything in the Danish Sea. I'm not really that good to fish. Like the last time I was fishing was with my grandparents. Like they got a boat and we selling out. I remember it like we were catching a lot of fish, but that's like 20 years ago. And there's not that many fish anymore. I think it's still possible to catch fish, but I just want to go out and overnight in this forest, cook some food and have fun. The sun is gonna go down really early. I'm gonna have like a lot of times when the sun go down. I will try to start a fire this time. Last time I tried it didn't go well, but I don't have that many plans to do. I'm just gonna go out and see how it all gonna go. I don't know if it's just me. Today I bring about 14 kilos of gear with me. It's really heavy, but it's okay. I'm not gonna hike that long. Really windy right at the ocean. I don't know if it's gonna be too windy. It's where I slept last time and I think I'm gonna sleep there again. It's like only 5-7 meters from the ocean. I don't know if I said this in another video. This tripod I bought to my GoPro is so good. It's funny how much everything changed since I last time was here. The only way I can recognize it, that tree there. It's changed so much here. Holy cow! I'm pretty sure I slept like right here. I'm thinking about go out fishing because I didn't repair my fishing pan. But I brought some boots here, so I'm gonna try make a campfire or something later. I have plenty of time. I think it's about 6 hours. It's gonna be dark. So right now I'm just gonna make a cup of coffee and sit here chilling. I'm just sitting here chilling. Because I really don't want to go out fishing if my fishing pans, like if there's gonna be a hole in my fishing pan, it's gonna be really wet and cold. But yeah, I'm gonna make a cup of coffee here now. I just changed my settings, I think it's called, on my backpack a little bit. Just like this drops here, this drops right there. I pulled that a little bit, so it's getting more up. And now it's like so much better. I don't know if it's just because I was sitting down and relax a little bit. It's not even like heavy. So now I'm gonna walk a little bit to get some more warm because it was getting a little bit cold to sit down and get a cup of coffee. I think I need to walk to get warm. So now I'm gonna try go into the forest. I really wanna try find some mushrooms that I can cook to my dinner tonight. I just found this. I think it's like something called stor løghat. It's like large onion hat, and you can easily eat that. So I'm gonna pick this and this. There's like actually 3 here. You should not eat the stilk because it's gonna be a little bit hard. But the hat, you can easily eat that raw. Oi! I just realized I have about 2 hours of daylight back. Just found some mushrooms, and I think I need to go find some fire, some wood, so I can burn. I'm gonna go a little bit along the coast here because the trail is right up there. So I don't want to be like too close to other people gonna hike. There's so many dead crabs here. I'm thinking about sleeping here. I know there's so many trees fall down, but I don't think it's gonna fall down right away. I think it's more safe to sleep here and then over there, because that tree looking like it's going in a second. And that tree up there, that's the big one, really like, it's a good tree. It's a heavy, healthy tree, and I think it's gonna be fine. First time you want to try lay down. Let's see, it's like how you don't want to lay on a hill or something. I'm just gonna cut some sticks and put it like use as a tent pole. There you go. I think I need 3 or something. I don't need to have them here all night. It just like keeps, like it's not gonna move when I'm trying to sit it up. I kind of want to have like little less than half to lay on, and then more to be over me as a tarp. So I'm kind of just putting some rocks here where I want to go up. I kind of like struggled a little bit to set it up because this was second time I tried. I tie a stick like a rope to here and like one to here and one over there. I did some heating with some duct tape behind here up to there to give it more space inside, but I think it's pretty good. The funny thing, if it's gonna hold the whole night, I really don't know. I think next time I should put it over there. I don't think I'm gonna go here anymore, but I was thinking like put it over there because that's like a natural. But I kind of want to use the half of the tarp for the ground, so I'm not laying straight on the ground. I have like a sleeping pad. There's like waterproof, so it kind of doesn't matter. Now I need to collect some wood because I think I have less than 1 hour. It's gonna be dark.
A few moments later.
I kind of struggle to try turning on the campfire. Next time I need some more of that birch wood. Didn't expect like it was so hard to make a campfire. So right now I'm just making a cup of coffee because I'm kind of tired. I'm gonna try start it with this one because then I like so now I'm cooking some food. That's the only way I can do it because I'm not clever enough to start a campfire. So this is my new sleeping bag. It can hold down to -7 it should be. I just jump into my sleeping bag. See you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It was a rough night. This one over there was falling down, so it was kind of getting wet here. Like you see, it's so wet here. I kind of slipped a little bit downhill, always sliding like out to the sand. I slept okay. It was not cold at all. I was keeping my hat on. Good advice when you're sleeping out: keep earplugs in your ear, because then you don't hear all the different sounds and cracking from sticks and animals doing something. Or I feel that's most safe to just like find a place, put a tarp down, and then I just need to like do this like behind, something like can hold a lot, because I think I will ask my mom to do something so I can tie something up here. I'm pretty sure you can like sew some like straps on it, so you can tie it to something else, like to the back. I love you, mother. So I'm gonna cut some bacon I will make as a breakfast. I will say I bring too much food with me. It's not more than 5 degrees outside. Everything is wet here. It's almost getting burned, so. It's raining so much, but we're cooking and we're having fun and chilling. Again, if you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe and like. Comment down below what you want to see in the next video. See you guys. We're gonna have some pills too. Sausage. Totally fine understanding me. Like going really fast. You see? There you go. Holy cow. It's looking so good. It's raining a lot right now. My pan's getting a little bit wet because it's dripping down on it. I'm thinking about taking the eggs and just crack it into the pot. Let's try out. I don't think so. Now I'm just gonna make it. Try to bake something, I don't know what it's called. So I think it's about to be done. It's called scrambled eggs, I think. Wait. That's something for the birds. It's done now. Turn off the heat. And let's eat. There you go. Yeah, I'm not that good to making food, but this is tasting really good. Maybe I should put some Danish sea salt on, but I don't think it need to. I used all 4 eggs, so I think it was fine. But yeah. More food. Everything is just wet. So no matter what, I need to get everything out when I'm coming home and dry it and maybe wash it, because everything is sandy and wetty. I'm pretty sure this light mud is waterproof. It's got really sandy, so I'm just gonna wash it a little bit in the ocean. It's still working, so that's good. Better to that. Hi. Well, that's how it needs to look when you're done. Don't leave any trash or something behind. Of course, I'm gonna pick this up and put it on my backpack and going home. The only trash I had was this one. It was like the plastic for the food. Of course, I'm taking that home too. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe and like and comment down below what you want to see next time. See you guys.